For centuries, man has searched for the perfect vacation. This is the story of that quest, a magical journey to a whole new world.
Hasuk, you will be rich, rich beyond your wildest dreams once you master this stupid trick. Oh, there you are. You are searching for a card to do some real magic? Well, then, come closer. Come closer. Wait, too close. Too close. Too close. Wait, don't go away. Here, I have something to show you. Don't let its simple appearance fool you, for this is no ordinary card. It once changed the course of a young couple's vacation.
I am beat. Being royalty's hard work.
I know. Decisions to make, royal decrees to write. Oh, we need a vacation.
Genie! What's this? Dear Al and Princess Jay.
I'm attending the National Genies Convention. Be back in 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Oh, wait, there's more. P.S. I'm hoping to have my picture taken with Barbara Eden. Well, there goes our vacation.
I wish I had another way to take Jasmine on a great vacation. What am I doing?
But wait. Aladdin's wish had come true. He had found the magic of the Magic Kingdom Club gold card.
What is it?
I don't believe it! We're going on that vacation after all.
We are, but Genie's not
Look!
here. Okay, wait, Aladdin.
Whoa!
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
I'm in a whole new world.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky.
A whole new world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling chase.
A wondrous place for you and me.
There's a whole new world of Magic Kingdom Club benefits, savings, and services good all over the world. At the Euro Disney Resort in Paris, Tokyo Disneyland in Japan, Disneyland Resort in California, and the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, where their adventure began at Epcot Center.
Jasmine, we're here!
tomorrow is today in Future World, where there are big changes in store at the Land Pavilion. With Food Rocks, a farm-fresh musical featuring giants of the grocery department in a high-fun, low-fat salute to a balanced diet. Meanwhile, at the America Gardens Theater, everyone's favorite sweetheart, Barbie, stars in her own live stage show. In the Communicore Fountain, Mickey Mouse conducts a magical futuristic battle of good versus evil in the new water show Splashtacular. And in the World Showcase Lagoon, Illumination! From future to fantasy, the Magic Kingdom Club Gold Card took Aladdin and Jasmine to the Magic Kingdom Park, where they found some new faces, fiery spectacles, and spectro magic. Next stop, the Disney MGM Studios theme park. Oh, and what a welcome they had in Aladdin's Caravan, featuring all your friends from Agrabah. Plus, harem girls, scimitar dancers, and even golden camels. Beasts. Can't take them anywhere. And there's so much more to see. Coming in 1994, the all-new Sunset Boulevard, which will lead unsuspecting visitors to the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. And not far away, Aladdin and Jasmine made several important discoveries.
Hello.
Discovery Island, Typhoon Lagoon, and River Country. In the evening, there was dancing and dining at Pleasure Island, featuring 2 new nightclubs, making 7 clubs in all. 8 tracks, where the 70s are back in style again. And the Pleasure Island Jazz Club, featuring hot jazz and cool blues. Out on the golf course, club members will receive special...
Shh! Jasmine's getting teed off.
Club members will receive... Ooh, nice shot. Will receive special seasonal savings at all 5 championship golf courses. Of course, everyone loves to shop.
Shh, Aladdin's getting teed off.
All over the Walt Disney World Resort.
Stand! No, stand! Would you just stand? Oh! Now having a magic lamp, a magic carpet, and a Magic Kingdom Club membership card is a wonderful thing. But if you really want to see the Walt Disney World theme parks, you must have one of these. Wait, one of these. Behold! Multi-day passports. One price gives you admission to all 3 theme parks and much, much more. Or, if you are a Walt Disney World Resort Hotel guest, get your hands on one of these. The Be Our Guest Pass, providing unlimited admission to all the theme parks and attractions throughout your entire stay. And what a stay! Club members can save 10 to 30% off select resort accommodations. How much is that in rupees? Oh, well, and choose from a wide variety of vacation packages. Just look.
open in summer of '94, it's Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort. Rustic, serene, this majestic hotel captures the spirit of the national park lodges built in the early 1900s. Also opening in the summer of 1994 are Disney's All-Star Resorts. Plus, exclusive for every resort hotel guest is complimentary transportation throughout the Walt Disney World Resort. Ooh, as well as early admission on select days to the Magic Kingdom Park 1 full hour before it's open to the general public. Get into Walt Disney World is as simple as dialing the phone. Gold Card members can call toll-free to the Magic Kingdom Club Travel Center.
Magic Kingdom Club Travel Center. How can I help you?
Hi, my name's Aladdin.
Ah, yes. Your Disney travel professional can provide all the pertinent information that you will ever need about Disney destinations, hotel accommodations, airline reservations, rental cars, everything.
And I'm also going to need to book a camel.
Huh?
Hey, what do you have in 2 humps?
Well, almost everything.
There's never enough legs.
For example, the Travel Center can book an exciting trip to the Euro Disney Resort in Paris, featuring the Euro Disneyland theme park. Not to mention, let's mention it anyway. Euro Disneyland has 6 delightfully different resort hotels. Vive la France! Far across the ocean, Aladdin and Jasmine flew to the fun of the original Disney theme park. The Disneyland Resort in California. Disneyland offers more than 50 adventures and attractions. A whole new world of excitement to experience and enjoy. Whoa! One of the newest lands in Disneyland is Mickey's Toontown. Covering nearly 3 acres just outside of Fantasyland, Mickey's Toontown is home sweet home to Minnie, Mickey, Donald, Goofy, and the whole gang. New in town is the incredible Roger Rabbit attraction, a rare opportunity to hop inside, but not like this, a cartoon taxicab for a zany spin you won't believe. Another exciting Disney film come to life is Beauty and the Beast, live on stage at Videopolis. And still another is Aladdin's Oasis, a chance to have an exotic meal in Agrabah. Come, live a day in the life of Aladdin and save 15% on select performances of this captivating dinner theater experience. Plus, meet new friends, such as your charming host Kazim and the enchanting 3 Wishes. And when it's all over, you will say,
"You ain't never had a meal like this!"
Then top off your Disneyland day with a fiery fantasy of Fantasmic, as Mickey Mouse wages the ultimate battle of good versus evil on the rivers of America. And it's all monorail close to the Disneyland Hotel. A wonderful oasis where you can relax, work out, Cataract. Dine alone. Or with friends. Gold Card members save 15% on nightly accommodations. And if they book a club vacation package, they also receive a length of stay passport. Oh boy, admission to Disneyland from check-in to check-out for up to 5 days. But wait, there's even more. You can save up to 30% at any of 5 Travelodge Inns in the Disneyland area. Or choose from several club packages in many other quality hotels. Each one includes early admission to Disneyland 1 full hour before the general public. Club members who don't have a magic carpet can save 10% off select Delta Airlines round-trip coach flights to both Orlando International Airport and 4 Los Angeles area airports. Plus, save on GM cars like this Chevrolet Cavalier from National Car Rental. Club members save up to 30% off National Car Rental business rates at most locations nationwide. Save 10% on merchandise at the Disney stores all over the world, as well as 10% on merchandise purchases from the Disney catalog. Backed by popular demand is the entertainment publications Travel America at Half Price program. Club members can enjoy a 50% savings on accommodations at over 1,800 hotels and motels across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. New for $19.94, save 15% on tickets to the Broadway production of Beauty and the Beast, coming to the Palace Theater in New York this March.
But if you had 3 more wishes, your first might be...
A luxury cruise. Save 10% aboard Premier Cruise Lines, combining a cruise to the Bahamas and a vacation at the Walt Disney World Resort. Or Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines for 7 or more nights. Or Norwegian Cruise Lines for a trip on the West Coast. For your second wish, how about savings on trips to San Diego? And your third, a trip to the Old West at Paradise Guest Ranch in Wyoming.
For details on the Magic Kingdom Club benefits, be sure to check your 1994 Magic Kingdom Club membership guide and enjoy a whole new world of Disney fun.